We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing animal names, including dog breed names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So this is the scientific name, the Latin name for a domestic dog. How do you say it? Canis lupus. This is the scientific name for a wolf, but if you add familiaris, then that's the scientific name for a dog, because dogs come from wolves. Canis lupus familiaris. Canis lupus familiaris. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting dog breed names and animal names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.